Hi again. Up, guys, we here. We about to make some tie-dye.
We have a string.
We have a string situation. We about to make some tie-dye shirts. We pick these up. We do have a Teespring if you guys want to rep. We got some shirts on there you can pick up, but we ordered some for ourselves to wear for the live streams, and we wanted to tie-dye them. So got the white ones here, and we're gonna do these things up.
Picked out some colors.
Some colors.
People suggested on the Instagram.
Yeah, who recommended what? Somebody recommended some colors.
I don't remember who recommended
what.
We had quite a few. All right, let's get it.
I don't know if you guys have ever done tie-dye before, but it's pretty simple. We always be crafting up in here. Like, y'all don't even know.
I think I'm gonna
how many crafts we got.
I'm gonna be more crafty than what I used to. He did one time where he like took the center of where you wanted it to stay white, and then he did the rest of it. And that's kind of what I'm trying.
That's what I think I'm gonna do. Is I'm gonna like, I want the logo not to get covered by tie-dye, so I'm gonna squeeze that section up and like pull it together, and then rubber band below that, right? Definitely not tie-dye pros. There's definitely some. You were watching some sweet channels and they were awesome.
There's a couple channels I really like. The tie-dyes. Okay, I'm gonna just like scrunch it. These are gonna be fun.
These are gonna be
fun. I'm so excited about this.
You guys ever do tie-dye or into any kind of crafting?
You know what? We
all about the crafting.
We did this for one of our first dates, actually.
We did. I still got that shirt. Tie-dye's fun though. Up and out, so I know I don't want dye on this section now because that's where all the logo is. I might do some fancy folding. She started pulling, we fell down a wormhole of just like tie-dye YouTubes, and they're doing all these crazy folds and like wrapping all this stuff. So
yeah, one was a weed leaf, but
yeah, we're totally gonna try and make one at some point. Dang, make it on the back. Oh, dude. Next time. We'll try that on the next one. There's really no right or wrong way. I pretty much just took my logo and scrunched it up. And
that's what's so fun about tie-dye. You never even know what it's gonna look like until it comes out, unless you're a master.
That was the one. The one thing though, like, tell me this is not the worst part. Like, if you make a video, you better show like opening it up so you get to see it. Like,
he was so disappointed, you guys.
We were watching some vids and these people would cut to the end but not show like the unveiling, like opening it. I'm like, what are they doing here? What are they?
It was very unsatisfying for him.
We're definitely gonna show the unveiling.
What is that?
Doesn't it look like one of those air hockey puck things?
My mind went right to the gutter.
What? This?
Getting spicy with the cam.
Yeah, we're getting in here. Better watch out. Don't want you guys getting motion sick.
I don't know what I'm doing. I might look like I know what I'm doing, but
it's
always a mystery. It's always a mystery.
And some intricate rubber banding. Some nice color options.
All right, what do you think?
There it is. I'm curious to see how these turn out and how you lay your colors down.
Yeah, I'm doing like a green, I think, green yellow.
Yep, it's gonna be
it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm excited.
We back from eating some beef and sticky rice, and it was so bomb. BBQ. We were talking about the live stream the other night, but anyway.
So we're picking out our colors. We got our colors here.
We do. We got a nice selection.
We got all this all tied up, and
we're gonna let's get these gloves on. About to go into surgery. Is that the trick?
I don't know. Apparently that's like actually really bad. It like puts bacteria in your
into the glove.
In the glove.
You moisten it up.
I'm not a medical professional, so you guys, this is okay.
We're not professionals in any way.
You know what? I
blow that thing.
Today. I thought it was weird.
Blade Runner?
A Road Runner.
Oh. Not the 80s one?
Nope. Like a real life Road Runner.
Like, wait.
Yeah, like a meat.
They're in Michigan?
Yeah, I saw one on the side of the road.
Was it a turkey?
It was a Road Runner.
With a gobbler?
No, the long beak.
Let's put some color on these babies. Oh man, here we go, guys. Look at these beauties.
Go for it. What are you gonna do?
I think I got to do the bottom first, right? Because I want to do this, but I don't want any on this. So I feel like I have to do, because I feel like if I do this,
you're gonna have to, because you don't want it to bleed.
I want to do this side last.
Yeah, I agree with you.
So I'm gonna do the bottom first, and then layer down.
You know what? I agree with you. I'm gonna do the same. Oof.
We getting
Okay,
it.
so
Is
this is black.
Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do though.
This you had this. That was your.
We're just gonna go with the flow. Yep.
These ones
I want
were
the
those
purple,
ones, and the blue?
the black, the blue, the green,
And yellow and green.
and yellow. Let's just put them all up here so we can just. You
Maybe.
guys, this
All right.
is
Pop it
how
off.
you craft. Yeah,
Pop
let's
it
let's
off.
take the. Oh, wait, maybe. Oh no.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh my God.
Be careful. That's what I meant. When you open these babies, they're shooting all over.
Heck yeah, they are. All right.
Oh man, there's dye everywhere. Be prepared, guys. It's all right. It makes the tabletop cool. I think I'm just gonna go kind of like a pinwheel.
I never really know what I'm doing. I just think I do, and then it turns out nothing like I expected. So.
You never. It's a surprise. That's the fun of it. Ooh, I like this yellow.
I love
So
that yellow.
vibrant.
Yeah. Love that yellow.
You guys, you got to be a members only to see how when we do the opening. I'm kidding.
Oh boy. Oh, that's pretty. I
I,
love that.
right? I do. I like that too. Should I just then do reverse?
I like the yellow. It's my favorite.
Where's the black? Oh,
That one looks so good, babe. You're doing great.
thanks. Can't really go wrong by just going for it. Not get any on the good part. I think I'm good. Oh, there might be a little.
Oh, it's fine. It's all fun.
And then I just gotta go back here. They're fun. I already can't wait. Am I opening yet?
You can't open it yet. You'll ruin it.
Gonna open it. I think it's good. Did I screw that up somehow?
Did I?
It might have. I don't know. But now that we're all colored, and then I guess we just wait for the unveiling.
Oh, this is blue? No, this is my green, right?
We didn't. Oh, we didn't. Did we mix? I didn't even use the blue. Oh my gosh.
Well, you can still use it.
It's too late now.
Why?
Maybe in the what part? It's in between the blacks. You don't really know until you know. You guys like that one? You don't really know until you know.
I mean, that's a true statement, though.
I feel like people who are really good, they know exactly. They're doing some origami up down here. And then also they're like, bloop, it's a smiley face. It's magic taking a Tootsie Roll. I'm excited to see what yours looks like, though. We got our things all dyed up here, and I guess we'll have to wait till 24 hours before we can do the unveiling and see how they look, guys.
I'm super pumped.
Yup, we'll cut to that in a
We'll just
second.
put 'em on.
Maybe we'll just be wearing them.
I don't
No,
know.
we got to show the undoing, and then you pull it apart. You're
It's
like,
gonna be
oh my
fun.
god, look at it!
Oh,
All
it's
right.
silly, but it's fun.
Cut to that. Guess who's high again?
It's been a couple hours.
It's been a couple days, and our shirts are done. So it's time for the best part.
All right, I'm excited. All right, let's go. I don't want to wait
3,
long.
2, 1. Ah!
I don't want to open it until all of it's off.
All of them?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
Mine's already kind of falling apart. It's kind of wet still. I'm
Yours,
getting dye on my
yours is
hands.
not as intricate as mine, I don't think.
No, yours is way intricate.
I mean, it's not.
Mine's a basic.
It's not way intricate.
Mine's a basic bee.
You're so funny.
We got a basic bee here. We got a basic bee tie-dye, guys.
Oh boy. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
I beat you. It's go time.
Oh, that's so cool, babe.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, how cool
What?
is that?
Look at that one, guys.
I like it.
I'm super happy with how that turned out. Kind of like made around the logo. Let's look at the back. We got a little.
Oh, that's. Oh, I like that.
Oh, I like how some of the colors
I
blended.
like that. It's almost like a face.
What? What do you see in the back? Tie-dye. But yeah, that turned out pretty cool. And then we'll give them a wash, and we got some dope one-of-a-kind
ready for
Highigan tie-dyes.
You ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is everyone ready?
Oh, you missed some. Man, you really got that thing good, man.
Put it in there. Put it in there good.
Ooh, I freaking love that. That's
Look at the
cool.
back.
You did like the zebra it's almost like a sunburst. That turned out awesome, babe.
Yeah? Oh, it is cool.
We're some tie-dyers.
Oh, I like it a lot.
Pretty cool, guys. Heck yeah. You'll be seeing them in the next live stream.
I'm so happy.
These turned out dope. Let's throw them in the washer and see the final result. But man, thanks for watching, guys. Just a fun one.
Thanks.
We'll see you
Oh
in the
man,
next
this was
one.
fun.
Yeah, if you guys haven't, make sure to subscribe to our Instagram. There's all kinds of behind the scenes stuff there. Links to everything down in the bio. Thanks to you guys, channel members, everybody watching. We'll see you
Thank you.
in the next one.